welcome to my channel. Here is Gad'e Haakh for you. Picture the snow-capped mountains of Kashmir, the crisp, cool air. Now imagine the warm, tantalizing scent of spices wafting through it. This is the essence of Kashmiri cuisine, a symphony of flavors and aromas that are as diverse and beautiful as the region itself. Kashmiri cuisine is a culinary journey through centuries of tradition and culture. It's a dance of spices, a celebration of textures, and a testament to the region's love for food. From the fragrant saffron to the fiery chili, every ingredient tells a story, every dish a poem. Today, we're diving into the heart of this cuisine with a traditional Kashmiri dish, trout and saag. This dish is a perfect embodiment of the region, combining the fresh trout from the local rivers with the hardy greens grown in the fertile soil. The process of preparing this dish is a journey in itself. It begins with the trout, fresh and glistening from. The fish is cleaned thoroughly, then marinated in a mix of salt, turmeric, and red chili powder, each ingredient adding layers of flavor. While the trout marinates, we turn our attention to the saag. Traditionally, this dish uses a mix of local greens, each lending its unique flavor. The greens are washed thoroughly, then boiled until they become soft and tender. Next, we heat oil in a pan, adding in a blend of spices that include cloves, cinnamon, and cardamom. As these spices sizzle, they release their fragrant aroma, filling the air with their intoxicating scent. We then add in the saag, stirring it in with the spices, allowing the flavors to meld together. Meanwhile, the marinated trout is shallow fried until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Finally, the trout is added to the saag, the flavors of the fish and the greens coming together in a beautiful harmony. The dish is cooked for 40 minutes. Allow a couple of hours for the trout to soak in the flavors of spices and the saag. To recap, we've taken a culinary journey through the heart of Kashmir, exploring the rich flavors and traditions of its cuisine. We've prepared a traditional trout and saag, a dish that celebrates the region's natural bounty. We started with fresh trout, marinating it in a blend of spices, then frying it to golden perfection. We then prepared a saag. We spiced it up with a blend of aromatic spices, then added in our trout, allowing the flavors to meld together in a beautiful dance. So there you have it, a taste of Kashmir in a dish, a symphony of flavors that tells the story of a region, its people, and their love for food. Until next time, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep cooking. Here is Chef Ara saying goodbye to you for now.